Hello everyone. Here we are going to create a curved staircase using REVIT now. So let's do it. First, I'm going to create a model line. And that model line here, say this way. And now I'm going to create an arc. This is the start. That's the end. Let me do it again. Model line. Start. And radius. Okay. So that radius will be like here. So if now we have to take this and we have to measure 18 feet here. How can we measure that? We can go to annotate and we can go to arc length, select this, and now we have to select this point and that point, and this is 69, whatever, okay? So we want to make this arc 18, we just have to select the line, type 18 here, and there you go. We have an 18-foot curve here. So if this is the center line of our curve, then we have to go offset 1 foot and 6 inches in this direction and that direction. And now we can divide this into 18 different lines. So we need the first one here. And I'm going to create the array. Select this one. It's the circular radial array, sorry. And number, I think I have to type 19. So if I need 18 steps, I have to type 19 lines and then move to the last. I have to place the center of rotation where the center of this circle is. And now that's the first point and that's the last point. There you go. And there are 19 elements. So if there are 19 elements, there should be 18 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So good. And now each step is 1 foot. Well, we can take this, but each step is 1 foot. Okay, now there's a tool in Revit, a dangerous tool, which is this stair. Okay, so we can create stairs, but we have to sketch things. First, here we have different numbers, dimension, desired number. What the hell is this? Desired number of risers. I want 18. So this is the actual riser height because it goes from level 2 to level 3. Okay, let's do that. And well, first I think I need to see the levels. Okay, so from level 2 to level 3. No, I want to go from level 1 to level 2. Okay, so let's do this. Base level is level 1 and top level is level 2. Desired number 18 and actual thread depth 1 foot. Okay, that's fine. So now we have to sketch. Okay, so don't Oh, first, okay, let's create select the monolithic stair. It's the less horrendous of all of them. And now let's create sketch. So to create sketch, first I have to select the boundary. So for the boundary, I select this point and that point. Okay. Second, I select the stair path. So the stair path is this central line that I have created here. You see that it's a different color. And finally, I have to select the risers. So selecting the risers, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. And I think we're done. We click OK. We click OK again. And we have this terrible handrail. So first thing is to get rid of the handrail. And we have this decent staircase made of this monolithic concrete. So that's a good way to create this curved staircase in Revit, and it goes from level 1 to level 2. Now, if we want to adapt the shape of the staircase to a polygon, for example, hexagons, first we need to draw the footprint. So let's draw the model line. Here we can select the polygon, and here we have sides, 6 sides, it's an hexagon. So I'm going to do this, and with the hexagon, the radius of this circle is the same as the side of the hexagon. So 12 inches, I think that would be the minimum side for the hexagon. And then if we want a staircase there, we can offset 3 feet, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And now we need to create the steps. So I'm going to go back to the model line. We need some space, and it has to be perpendicular to this side. Okay, so that would be the first. And then we need offset 1 foot. And let's do it. At some point, we have to stop. I think I'll stop here. Well, here. And then we need a landing, and here the steps have to be like that. So architecture line here, and now offset again. 1, 2, 3. And well, we need 18 steps, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, that will be 15, and then 16, 17, and 18. Okay, so now this is. And now what I would do is to work with reference planes, and then with component modeling place. I think that's the easier way. With this shape, the staircase tool will not work well. I have tried and it didn't work. Maybe if you try on your own, you can make it work, but I didn't. So what the first thing is to create reference planes, and this is gonna be the first reference plane. So let's name this O1. And now on the 3D view, I'm going to start building that on the reference plane 1. So I'm going to create a component model in place. This is the stair. Okay. And now let's create extrusion. And with the extrusion, I'm going to build the first step that I have to set the work plane on this reference plane that I created. And now I can go up, let's say 7 inches, and then 1 inch away. And now I can copy these elements Okay, so how many steps? We need one more here. Well, actually, I'm not going to build this one. And now I need an offset. Let's make this offset 1 inch. Looks. Oh, yeah. I think I selected OK. Now I want the offset. There you go. And trim. And if it's a closed loop, now it will work. It works. And if we go this way, this is it. And the same thing now with the next. But to do that, I need another reference plane. So let's name this reference plane as 2. And now from the 3D view, go to create a component model in place, stairs, extrusion, set the work plane on plane number 2. And yep, I think I made a mistake because here first I need to know the height of that thing. Okay, apparently I can take yep. So from that point, I can go 7 inches up and 1 foot down. Uy, va. 1. Then copy. Okay, so have as many steps as lines we have here. And now again, another offset. Trim. Okay. And finally, if we want to make the landing, well, here we need these few steps here to go up. And here, if we want to create that landing, we can do the component model in place. That will be the stairs. And we can work by extrusion. I will set the work plane. I will pick this plane here, and then I'll create the and we have to go downwards. There you go. Okay, so I think that's the easiest way to build the staircase that way, because using the staircase tool, it might work, but I think that's better and easier.